Hello guys, welcome once again. Let me show you how to make neem soap. Neem soap is known for its ability to fight bacteria and fungi, making it effective in preventing skin infection and reduces acne. It also helps to soothe irritated skin and reduces redness, making it suitable for conditions like eczema. So to get started, we start by cleaning our aloe vera leaf. So I'll cut and leave in water for about 20 minutes to get rid of the latex, which is the yellowish substance coming out from the aloe vera cut. So I will be setting the aloe vera aside, then bring in the neem leaf. This I will wash too. Neem leaf has been traditionally used for many years, and these leaves are known for their medical properties. It has a strong antifungal and antibacterial properties, which can be used for the treatment of wound, skin infection, and acne. They prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi, heal wound fast, and maintain healthy skin. And after washing the neem leaf, I'll be transferring them into a blender. And next, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of rose water. Rose water helps repair the skin by promoting healing of damaged skin and reduces the appearance of scars and blemishes. And next, I'll bring in the aloe vera leaf. I will cut part of the aloe vera. This I'll be using for the production of the neem soap. And next, I will cut the spans along the edges of the aloe vera. Then open up the aloe vera leaf with a spoon. And after opening up the aloe vera leaf, I'll scoop the gel into the blender with the neem leaf and blend smoothly. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer that hydrates the skin without leaving it greasy. And also, aloe vera is suitable for all skin type. Aloe vera has healing properties which can soothe the skin and also help reduce skin irritation, cuts, and minor burns. Aloe vera contains vitamins and antioxidants that help reduce signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines. And after blending the neem leaf, aloe vera with the rose water, transfer into a cheesecloth to squeeze out the juice. So add it up to a cheesecloth and squeeze out the juice from it. And after squeezing out the juice from it, this is how a juice look like. So I'll set aside. And next I'll be bringing in the glycerin-based soap base. This will be using for the production of our neem soap. So I'll start by removing it from the mold. And if you want to learn step-by-step video on how to make glycerin-based soap base, please check the video card above. And I will as well provide the video link in my description box. And you can as well get access to it at the end screen of this video. And after cutting the soap base into cubes, I'll set aside. And next I'll measure out 51 grams of the neem mixture. So I'll place a bowl on the digital scale, then measure out 51 grams of the neem mixture. So I'll set it aside, then measure out about 250 grams of the soap base. And after measuring out the soap base, transfer to the heat for double boiling. Stir at interval until the soap base dissolves completely. And once the soap base is completely dissolved, add in the neem mixture. Then stir together to be well combined. Next, turn off the heat and remove from the heat. And next, I will add to it 3 capsules of vitamin E oil and also stir together until it is well combined. Vitamin E oil capsule is a powerful antioxidant. It helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. After combining all the ingredients, pour into a mold and set aside for it to solidify. So you can set aside for between 4 to 6 hours for it to solidify. But if you want it to solidify quickly, you can put in the refrigerator and this solidify within an hour. And after pouring it inside a mold, I'll spray with alcohol spray to get rid of the foam on top. Then I will set aside for it to solidify. And this is like after 5 hours. You can see our knee soap has solidified. So I'll be removing it from the mold. And here is some of the health benefits of using neem soap. Neem soap reduces acne because of the antibacterial properties in it. And the sooth effect of aloe vera help reduces acne breakout. Neem soap help in skin hydration and healing. And with the combination of aloe vera and vitamin E provides deep hydration while promoting skin repair. Neem soap is suitable for sensitive skin type. The natural ingredients makes it gentle enough for those with sensitive skin. And now that our neem soap is ready, we go ahead to test the foaming ability. As you can see from the video, as I rub my hand with it, you can see that it comes with great lather. Please kindly subscribe to my channel as I have more great videos for you. And if you find this very helpful, please kindly click on the like button, comment and share this with your loved ones. Thanks for watching.